wrong before.
Okay, I'll hold down the fort.
Thanks, Jesse. I'll be back before you know it. If he shows up while I'm gone, just stall for me.
And just who are you? I'm waiting.
The name's Jesse. What's it to you?
I'm supposed to meet with Petra, not whatever you're supposed to be. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't walk out of here right now. Well, I'm a very busy man.
I'm with Petra.
My deal is with her, not her partner.
She'll be here, but we can get started without her.
Do you have the skull?
Well...
You do or you don't? You'd better not be toying with me.
Of course I have it. What kind of dealer would I be if I didn't?
Let's see it, then.
You want to see it?
You bet I want to see it.
I'm going to show you.
Show me, then.
Stop rushing me. I get nervous when I'm rushed.
I'm not wasting any more time with you.
Ivor.
Not a moment too soon. Your partner here almost soured the deal.
Ah, well, that's not good. I left my friend Jesse here while I went looking for you. I've got what you asked for.
If you have what you promised us.
You didn't say anything about an us when we first met. And I don't like surprises. If these are the sorts of people you associate with, perhaps we should call the whole thing off.
My friend is fine, right, Jesse? There's no problem here. Let's not be too hasty, okay? This is just a little misunderstanding.
Maybe we should rethink the whole thing. This guy gives me a bad feeling.
I'll give you a bad feeling if you ruin this for me.
Proceed, then.
I'll take that diamond now.
Take it. You've earned it.
Sorry guys.
This isn't a diamond.
No, it's lapis. Of all the dirty, underhanded tricks to pull. I can't believe that guy got one over on me.
I knew we couldn't trust that guy.
Screw this. We're going after him. Getting that diamond, or I'm getting my skull back.
Or you'll make him pay, right? Right?
Come on. Do you see him anywhere?
Lost him.
Then we'll just have to find him again. Go.
I see Lucas.
You'll find him just standing around.
guys make Gabriel fans or something? Tirada solar.
Sup? What's up? Nothing? What's up with you? Nothing. What's up with you? I just said nothing. I'm sorry you guys didn't win this year. It might have turned out pretty cool. If it had, burned down or whatever. That stunt your friend pulled really hurt my pig. Okay, maybe.
চিংড়ি মাছ আচ্ছা তুমি তরকারিটা নিয়ে নিও 100 টাকা দিয়ে দিও ওইদিকে চাল বাজার একটু কম দামে করে দিব
But I had nothing to do with it.
He's still missing,
Sorry. I hope you find this.
You didn't happen to see a creepy guy with long hair and a beard roaming around, did you?
I don't think so. Why?
He kind of scammed Petra out of a diamond earlier.
Oh, everyone knows you don't mess with Petra. You know what's good for you. I'll keep an eye out, okay?
Thanks, I appreciate it.
So, we're cool?
Yeah, we're cool.
তাহলে মাছ দিয়ে কি দিয়ে খাবা ডাল নাকি একটু ঝোল আলু টালু দিয়ে
See you later, Lucas.
Yeah, see ya.
সরি ডাল
ঝোল খেয়ে দেখো মজা
ঠিক আছে খালি ওই
আলু
মাছটা দিও
আলু আলু হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে ওই মাছটা দিও না
এইটাও রুই মাছ তোমাকে আমি কিছুই দিব না শুধু আলু দিব এই যে আলু
আচ্ছা মাম্মা ডাল দাও
না ডাল নাই আজকে ডাল রান্না করা হবে
আচ্ছা খাদ্য হ্যাঁ তাই এটাই এই পাশে বসে বাবার পাশে তুমি ওখানে গেছো
Oh man, I love this song. What's it called? Too obscure to have a name, huh? Yeah, I kind of figured. Starts the party off right like a great DJ. Thought you could just wiggle right out of that trap, didn't you? Well, wiggle as much as you want. You're not going anywhere.
Axel, any chance you've seen a creepy-looking, beardy guy anywhere?
No, Patrick told me what happened.
দেখো তোমার ছেলে চেয়ারে কি করছে
Okay, so I got a little distracted. It's just this machine presses all my buttons. Unnecessarily complicated.
বাবু কাজগুলো সব
No
অনিষ্ট করে
reason. Something like this calls, you gotta answer. But I swear, as soon as the demonstration
লাউ
is
শাক
over,
কেমন লাগে
stop messing around. We need your help. I was looking, I swear. Just got a short attention span. You seen Woodman? I was hoping he might have made it to town while I was distracted. Haven't seen hide nor hair.
দাদুর বাসায় গেলে কিন্তু সেই শাকই খাওয়া লাগবে চিকেন নাই কিন্তু সাতরাধিক চিকেন নাই
Axel? All right, I'll look. After I watch
ওখান
one
থেকে
more
মাছ নিয়ে
chicken
যাবো বাসা থেকে
I see you now, weirdo.
তাই না নিয়ে যাবো কেমন মাছটা আব্বা
Wow, it isn't Team Trash Bag. How's your stupid pig? I hear intense heat causes brain damage.
Idiot.
Hey, who are you calling an idiot?
You, now move.
Hey,
মার একটু মাছ নিয়ে আন শাকের
I didn't saw that coming. That's a woman.
Hey, what do you think you're...
Yep. What do you think you're doing?
oh, I'm sorry.
Get away from me!
Said I was sorry. Is that you?
Get your pork chops here, fresh off the bone. Nothing sticks to your ribs quite like a juicy pork chop.
Reuben!
What's the big idea? I'm trying to run a business here. It's my pig.
তোমারই তো এটা তোমার
I found him out in the woods, so I think that makes him my pig.
বাবা খাওয়ার সময় খাও এটা হ্যাঁ রাখো কিছু বড় একদম
আব্বা আমি ওকে একটু সুন্দর করে বলি ও বাবা খাওয়ার সময় যদি তুমি খাবার গুলো তোমাকে